The sound of poly means many. The sound of tick means parasite. Here only God removes leeches and you'll be living right. Here no evil, only what is pure in life. For worry costs currency, it's feeding them and costing lives. Politics is a pile of tricks. Bettering yourself makes your environment bliss. This is heaven, yet you're making a mess out of it. Expecting everyone else to be the fix. Be the leader that you want to see. Fixing yourself heals that piece of society. Everyone is able, so it is your responsibility. We all do this, no more need for corporate policing in their policy. For we are the people, and both wings on that bird is a fallacy. However, bettering ourselves, recognizing our divinity, can create the society we want if we only act in love and prosperity. Perform like the character you want in society, for you can't always control your environment. However, you can control your character in your environment, and once you make this a habit, your environment will become part of your character. For your habit is your habitat. What you think is what you create. Make sure it's love and never hate, for divine consciousness is the state.